The Vaidik Sanatana Dharma is very different from the so-called the Semitic religions of, of, of the Middle East, the Semitic faiths of Christianity, Islam, and Judaism. In what way is it different? This differentiation has to be made very clear. What is the differentiation? All the Semitic faiths, they are all belief-based systems, and they all have been born in history at a certain point of time. There have been founders of those religions, and there is one book which is very important for that religion, and there are a set of dogmas which everybody who belongs to that religion has to subscribe to, and there is one church. All these things together goes into the making of these religions. Vaidik Sanatana Dharma is not a religion in this sense at all. First of all, what actually is very contrastingly different as far as this Vaidik Sanatana Dharma is concerned is that the Vaidik Sanatana Dharma is the scientific religion that is existing right from the ageless past. It is not a belief system. It is a science of divinity. It is the science of the human system itself. It is the science of the ultimate reality. It is the science of human life itself. Why I call it science? Because it is based upon verifiability about what it is claiming. The Vaidik Sanatana Dharma claims that there is one divinity which can be experienced. So it is not something which is to be believed in. It is something which anybody, anywhere can verify for himself or herself. It is this scientific characteristic of Vedic Sanatana Dharma which makes it totally different from the existing Semitic faiths of the Middle East. They are belief systems, whereas this is the science of life itself. And another major difference between these two things is that the Semitic faiths, the belief systems, can never be universal. They are narrow, and most important, they are exclusivistic. They cannot include everybody into their systems. This exclusivism is the one reason why we find these Semitic faiths have expressed this exclusivistic feeling through violence and bloodshed and forceful conversion and invasion. We know the whole history of the Semitic faiths. And contrasting to this, we have the Vaidik Sanatana Dharma, which is all-inclusive. In fact, Swami Vivekananda goes to say that in the Hindu Vaidika Sanatana Dharma system, we don't have the idea of exclusivism. It is all-inclusive. It takes the entire humanity into its own embrace.